Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and we back with another Sneaker Sundays. In this episode of Sneaker Sunday, we're talking about one of Jordan Brand's big release of 2018. I know, I've been saying this a lot, and a lot of reviews I've been doing, but Jordan Brand has been coming with the heat all year, so you gotta give it to them. After subpar 2017, they've been dropping a lot of heat this year, man. Like, I'm sure a lot of people was able to see, we had a lot of ones, a lot of good quality ones. They wasn't just putting colors together and throwing them out. They were coming out with some good quality shoes, you know what I'm saying? We got a bunch of threes came out. We had the tinted threes, I did a review on that. Black cement threes, I did a review on that on this channel. And also free throw threes, Justin Timberlake threes. A lot of good Jordan Brand shoes came out this year, so shout out to Jordan Brand for that. But this shoe here, they did something special for a lot of graduates can wear to their graduations this year. We're talking about the Retro 11 cap and gown. Before we get into the shoe, I'm gonna need for you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified when we drop a new content to our channel. That being said, let's get into the shoe. Alright guys, so here's the box for the Retro 11 cap and gown. I know you guys are used to seeing this box. You know, I'll show it to you guys again. As you guys can see, I got the Retro 11 Concords 2011 pair back here. Still kind of crispy. I did a review on this shoe because I heard they were doing they were re-releasing in December of 2018, so I did a review. You can check that out on the channel also. But forget about that. Forget about this box. Let's get into it. The Retro 11 cap and gown. Comes out May 26th, I believe. Guys, take a good look at these. You guys can see the laces are a little different on here. But, you know, I think, you know, it's a suede upper. As you guys can see, if you guys can see, there's a suede upper up here. Usually we get nylon or mesh up here. But, you know, got the typical 23 back here. Got the Jordan thing on the inside of the tongue as usual. Jordan logo on the tongue there. If you guys can check that out. You probably can't see it's an all black shoe, but you probably can't see it. Pad leather feels good, looks good on it. Always the black pad leather always look good on the Retro 11, man. Pad leather is definitely material that you can put on the shoe that'll make any shoe look good, man. So, you know, anytime, you know, Jordan Brand decides to come out with a Retro 11 high top. Not a big fan of the lows, but the highs. When they come out, man, they put that pad leather on there, man. It looks good, man, with the clear bottom, as you guys can see. Check that out. Also, you guys can see a little different, has different laces on here. These are not like your typical rope laces that come on your typical Retro 11. But this is a different Retro 11 here, man. Kind of reminds me of the Gamma 11, if you guys remember what that shoe looks like. Came out a couple years back. Kind of looks like it, but it has a couple of different things on here, man. The suede upper on the Gamma, they had the mesh upper. The Gamma had a little bit of yellow in it, and in the bottom, the sole was a little more blue. So, you know, little different things. Got the metal Jumpman right here, logo on here also to go along with the metal on the shoestrings. So that was a nice touch by Jordan Brand. I think that was a real nice touch to add on to the shoe. Price point, man. The price point on this shoe is $250. This is more than any Retro 11 that ever came out solo that wasn't in the pack. $250. What do you guys think about that? Do you guys think that that's a crazy price point? I think that's a very, very high price point. Like, I feel like, you know, at this point, and for me, I feel like they shouldn't even be coming out with Retro 11s anymore. They ran this shoe into the ground. They came out with it in a bunch of new colors to a point they're coming back out with a couple of retro colors. They came out with the Space Jams, I think 2 Christmases ago. I think they came out with the Space Jams again. And now they're coming back out with the Concords again in 2018. I did a review on the 2011 Concord 11s. And if you can see, I have it back here. You guys can check that out, look right here. But check out that video. I did a review on that because I heard they were retroing the Retro 11. So I did a review on that. But check that out, it was on the channel. But yeah, man, like, how do you guys feel about, you know, Jordan Brand just pretty much coming out with the same shoes over and over and over again? It's kind of like overkill at this point. And then, you know, you throw a couple different things on this shoe. You know, a couple good things to make the shoe, you know, pop a little bit more, but come on, 250 price tag? Come on, man. Nike / Jordan, bro. You guys can do better than that, man. But, man, what do you guys think about this shoe, man? Leave your comments below. If you guys think it's a super fresh shoe, check it out on the inside. See what we got going on right here. That's the black jump, man. You know, some usual things that come with it. I don't think it's anything worth $250 retail. Jesus, man. But you guys let me know what you think about this shoe, man. I know a lot of people are gonna say they like this shoe because this shoe, you know, a lot of people like the Retro 11s. A lot of people love the Retro 11s. I just think that, you know, Jordan Brand, they have a couple shoes that they haven't came out in a while that I feel they should come back out with instead of coming back out with just Retro 11, Retro 11, Retro 11 every Christmas, man. Give the people something a little different. But yeah, man, so you know I gotta rate this shoe, man. So, you know, after reviewing the shoe and, you know, and really looking at it and really, it's not that bad of a shoe. The all black looks beautiful with the patent leather on it and everything like that. It looks really good. But for me, man, I'm sick and tired of the Retro 11. I'm tired of seeing it, man. So out of 5 pennies, I might definitely have to give this shoe 3 pennies, man, because it looks just like a Gamma Blue Retro 11, man. It looks exactly like it. It's not too much different. The price tag sucks. It's just a couple of crazy things going on, man. So you guys let me know what you guys think about this, man. Gave it 3 out of 5 pennies, man. You guys let me know what you think about this shoe, man. I know I might get a couple people coming at me about, you know, my rating on this shoe, man, but I'm just not a fan of this shoe, man. And then the price tag doesn't make it any better. It's just pretty much a Gamma Blue, just with suede upper, change the laces on it, put a little metal on the laces, put metal hair. You're gonna charge the people $250, man. That's crazy, man. Yeah, but 3 out of 5, that's what I give it, man. Just to let you guys know, we also have merch. If you guys want to reach out to us about our merch, as you can see, I have the white Penny for Your Thoughts shirt with the camo logo right here, so you can check that out. And I also have the black, white, camo brim Penny for Your Thoughts hat on right now. If you guys want to buy any merch, you guys can reach us on our email address at p4yt2016@gmail.com. Or if you guys want to reach out to us and, you know, talk to us and see what we posting every day, you can reach out to us on our Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. With that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.